Today, we're making chocolate lava cake for a crowd from Cook It in Your Dutch Oven by America's Test Kitchen. Chocolate lava cakes are typically very temperamental desserts to make, and this recipe seemingly removes all the guesswork. For this recipe, start by melting the butter in your Dutch oven. Then add in the chopped chocolate and some of the cocoa powder. Stir frequently until smooth. Once finished, remove from the heat and let cool slightly while making the topping. Whisk the brown sugar and some of the granulated sugar together in a bowl. Add in the cocoa powder and continue to mix. Once mostly combined, use your hand to break up any clumps of sugar to ensure the topping won't be lumpy. Then, in your Dutch oven, add the milk to the chocolate mixture. Add in the vanilla, baking powder, salt, and remaining granulated sugar and mix to combine. Next, add the eggs to the mixture. Add in the flour and mix until just combined. Once done, scrape down the edges to get as much of the mixture into the bottom of the Dutch oven as possible. Then cover the top evenly with the sugar and cocoa mixture. This might seem like a lot of topping, but it comes out perfectly once baked. Next, slowly pour the coffee water mixture on top. Bake the lava cake without the lid for about 1 1/4 to 1.5 hours, rotating the pot halfway through the baking time. It's done when the cake begins to pull away from the sides of the Dutch oven and the top is slightly firm to the touch. This is a perfect dessert to pop into the oven when guests come over for dinner, and it's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.